Hello everyone. My name is Kumar Shivam and I'm working with Sanchana from last 2 years as data analyst. Today I'm going to talk about the customer segmentation. So before I start, I would like to talk about my company first. So Sanchana. Sanchana is a Sanskrit word which means numeration. So that's what we do. We assign numbers to derive scenarios where we use relevant statistical methods to take data-driven decisions. After the foundation of the company in 2014, we have handled many projects, and our young and dynamic professionals with years of experience have been working in many different domains like telecom, retail, banking, healthcare, income tax, and so on. So now moving to the slide, we have today's agenda. So here we will talk about the customer segmentation, different types of customer segmentation, common manufacturing industry challenges, why we should conduct a segmentation, and what is the use of 5Ws and how we can segment the customers with 5Ws. Then we will go through a case study, and lastly, we will see how segmentation is going to be beneficial for your business. So talking about the customer segmentation, it involves differentiating customers into a group based on their similar traits and characteristics or behavior. After that, the entire customer segmentation has been divided into 5 types, which is demographic segmentation, which is based on gender, age, occupation, marital status, and income. Then geographic segmentation, which is based on country, state, or city of residence. Then we have behavioral segmentation, which is based on actions or inactions, the spending and consumption habits of the customer, their browsing history, and their frequency of purchasing order. Then we have psychographic segmentation, which is based on personal attitudes, values, interests, or personality characters. Lastly, we have technographic, which is based on preferred technologies the customer is using, the software they are using, the mobile devices that they are using. Moving on to the next slide, we have the common manufacturing industry challenges, the challenges which most of the industries today they are facing. So the first point we have is forecasting demand for products. So sometimes companies fail to predict their demands because they lack a proper reporting tool. Then they have poor control on inventory management. Sometimes companies try to increase the sales or the prices of their products, but when economic condition gets erratic, so purchasing power of consumers decreases, then the company is not able to increase their ROI, that is return on investment. Next is managing sales leads, where follow-up should be taken with the higher potential leads, but they fail to take note of this. Last is coping with the new technology, which is also very important, where every manufacturer should look into it. Next is why we should conduct a segmentation. So to improve understanding of our current and potential customers, we need to conduct a segmentation. Then looking into new business opportunities. Also, we can identify and estimate the market opportunities. We can tailor and customize our products, and we can work on shaping our communications with the customer as well. Now we will see the significance of 5Ws. So first is who, where we characterize customers based on demographics. Next is where. It helps in locating better business location, which further helps in decreasing delivery time and distance. Then we comes to what. Here we have to analyze the customer's most recent purchases total number of transactions happened, and total revenue generated. Then comes the when, where we should check the customers' behavior, like how occasionally they are shopping, like Christmas versus normal day, like weekends versus weekdays, any lifetime, any life events changing time, like after having a baby or marriage, or do they are more frequent, like purchasing something in daytime or in the evening. Lastly, we have why. So why a customer should visit to your company? Because they need the products and they want what you have to offer to them. Here we have a case study where a banking corporation segment their wanted to segment a generation Y. Let's assume as a segment they wanted to target. So what the bank did? So the bank did the in-depth research to identify new ways to shape their offerings. So what they did, they segmented the customer under 26 of age. Firstly, they removed the fees. They also offered saving jars which were customizable. Also, they offered 100 plus card designs. They also changed the look of their bank to attract more young customers. And what happens after that? And within 3 years, they had increased sign up on their website, and the products were being used in many places, which is one of the examples of targeting a youth market. Lastly, we have how segmentation is going to be beneficial for your business. So marketing efficiency gets increased. We can determine the new market opportunities. We can improve distribution strategies, making it easier to identify our target audience. We can develop better brand strategies, and it also helps in customer retention, where we identify group of customers with the high potential value. So being as Sankhya, what we will do the similar in-depth research, and with our data-driven approach, we will help you to grow your business efficiently and increase the profitability. Thank you and have a nice day.